Hey there, everybody. Well, we're still on the road.
I'm Olivia Perez.
And I'm Tim Baldwin, your hosts of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy.
Brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
Now, in each episode, we introduce you to homeowners who've learned effective and energy-efficient solutions for indoor comfort in their homes.
With some help from local Amana dealers, of course.
Which brings us to the topic of this week's show. What should you expect from your local independent Amana Brand dealer when he comes into your home?
We're going to visit with Rex and Mary, who recently had a new Amana Brand system installed.
Yeah, come on in.
I love these
Sit
chairs,
down.
Mary.
Well, thank you.
Welcome to our home. Oh, our pleasure. This room is beautiful.
There we are.
So, Mary, tell us about your experience with your local independent Amana Brand dealer.
Well, apart from being on time and very courteous to us both and extremely knowledgeable, he had on clean shoes.
Okay.
I mean, we've had several servicemen come into our home with filthy shoes on.
I hate that.
But not our Amana dealer.
No.
Okay, but you know what really impressed me was his overall knowledge of the product and how he was able to provide us with competitive and, well, very favorable financing.
And on top of that, he was able to provide us with the perfect system for our comfort and our budget needs. And he didn't leave dirty, greasy fingerprints everywhere either.
Almost as bad as dirty boot prints,
It is, right?
Sounds like your Amana dealer scored very high in several critical areas.
He's an independent businessman, a member of the local community. I'd say that's someone you can trust.
I certainly feel as comfortable with him now as we do with our new energy-efficient central heating and cooling system.
Comfortable is the right word. This is so comfortable.
And you know what's even better? We can have the kids, the grandchildren now, play here, and the temperature's perfect for them.
Thanks again for letting us visit and enjoy your new Amana Brand system.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank
Been
you.
a pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Thank you, Sue.
Oh, hey, Tim, watch out for the potting soil.
Yeah. Oh, man, that couple was great, huh? Oh, that's dirty.
Just wait a minute, mister. You're not coming in my clean motorhome with those muddy boots.
I think you're taking your job a little too seriously, Olivia.
And I think you'd never make it as an Amana Brand dealer.
I know. They're way too neat.
America's brand for comfort. Amana.